Hello guys, this is my website and app presentation. Little things about me. My name is Sarah Miles. My major is elementary education. I am minoring in Asian studies and I would like to teach in either Kentucky or Alabama. I'm not sure which. So the website I got was Scholasticcom, and in the picture to the right you'll see the website. When you get on there, it gives you an option for teachers, kids, or parents. And I chose teachers. So this site gives teachers access to free lesson or unit plans, and if you're having trouble coming up with the lesson plan, or you just need inspiration, Scholastic has free lesson and unit plans for you to check out. And this site also gives you access to educational videos, book talks, discussion guides, extension activities, and teaching guides. There's more on there, but those are the ones that I chose to put on this presentation. And you can do anything with these videos. You can have students use them in class. You can go over them in class, have students go home and do homework with them. You can also, on the website, limit your searches by grades or subject, which is very helpful. It's very organized. You can subscribe to teacher or student magazines. They are a great resource. They're very educational, and they can be used for activities or assignments. And another thing on the site is that they give educators sales on books. Now, as teachers, we're going to be needing plenty of books, so all the children can have access to them. And Scholastic.com has periodic sales on individual and bundle books. Alrighty, Scholastic.com also contains self-directed math learning modules that students can use in class or at home. It is a math workshop that contains videos, interactive practices, quizzes, and real-world math problems for grades 6 through 8. And it also gives a list of engaging computer lab activities for all grades. There are also articles and books on technology that would aid in student interests. Now, the site also gives teachers access to a variety of diverse books. A teacher once told me that children want to see themselves in the books that they read. So it keeps them interested because they can relate to the characters in the book. Scholastic.com has a book for everyone. There are books about different cultures, books for striving learners, books for English language learners, books for children with special needs, and so on. This is a very useful resource because, as we know, reading books increases literacy, reading comprehension, and strengthens language vocabulary. For students with visual impairments, they can access these audiobooks on the site, and audiobooks can also be helpful to English language learners so that they will be able to hear the words while they are reading them. The app that I got is StudyBlue. You can access it online, on tablets, on your phone, on anything really. The site helps you find any and all study materials from the school and course that you are in. The site also allows you to narrow the studying material based on the instructor for the class, if the instructor is listed, of course. The site provides top homework questions for the course, and it also gives the most recent questions asked for the course so that you could be up to date if any of your peers are asking some questions. The instructor can put assignments on the site for students to view and complete, and then students can find or make flashcards, notes, and study guides relative to their course. In my perspective, the site's main purpose is to give current students the availability and convenience to study anytime, anywhere. StudyBlue meets the needs of diverse students by giving them a study app that allows individual or group studying for students who learn differently. It also gives, you can actually go on there and put in audio or images for enhanced learning. This is especially helpful for visual or auditory learners. This can also help with English language learners because they can speak their language with the audio and then see the English words and connect them, or they could have the English words and the audio so they're hearing and seeing the language that they're learning. Students with exceptionalities or students who are gifted can study on a more advanced level with this app as well because they can find content from higher grades or use their own studying techniques. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching.